Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix messenger notification not working issue on Samsung A37. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So go to app library, click on messenger app, go back and refresh, click on messenger and refresh, and you will see after refresh messenger app you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on notification. After click on notification, click on do not disturb. After click on do not disturb, so if you want to fix this problem, turn off do not disturb button. After turn off do not disturb button, and you will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so go back to home screen, click on settings app and click on apps. After click on apps, scroll down and search messenger app from here. Click on messenger app. After click on messenger app, click on notification. After click on click on messenger app, click on notification. After click on notification, so turn on notification button. After turn on notification button, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so update your messenger app. Go to app library, click on Play Store app, click on this profile icon and click on manage apps and device. Click on update and you will see here showing you messenger. Click on update. After click on update, you will see messenger app is update. After update messenger app, you will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix messenger notification not working issue on Samsung A37. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.